Shark NV360 Navigator, Versatile Upright Vacuum Power. Discover the Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning powerhouse. This two-in-one wonder combines lightweight efficiency with robust cleaning capabilities. Its lift-away technology allows you to detach the pod swiftly, ensuring seamless access to tight spaces and elusive corners, making every nook and cranny spotless in an instant. Equipped with mighty suction power, this vacuum easily transitions from deep carpet cleaning to tackling bare floors with ease. Whether you're cleaning under furniture, upholstery, stairs, or dealing with pet hair, the Navigator's HEPA filter and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology capture dust and allergens, ensuring a clean, fresh home. Thanks to its swivel steering, navigating around furniture becomes effortless, while the Brushroll Shutoff feature effortlessly shifts from carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. With a sizable dust cup capacity, uninterrupted cleaning sessions become a breeze, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without frequent interruptions. Practicality meets efficiency with included tools like the crevice tool, ideal for hard-to-reach areas, and the upholstery tool, simplifying cleaning for upholstery and stairs. Offering the best of both worlds with upright and lift-away modes, this Shark Navigator vacuum delivers uncompromising cleaning performance with go-anywhere versatility.